Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a cleaning tips video. So I'm here in my bedroom because this is where I want to start. Hi Kirby. Our bedroom is definitely not finished on where we want it to be. We do need to get a new bed and some new curtains to match everything. But yeah, we will go from there. Today is going to be more focused on the cleaning versus design aspect. I will do a video once we get our bedroom into more of a shape that we would like. So let's move forward. So here you walk in and you have like our bed and everything and Kirby that's not supposed to be on our pillows. And our dresser and everything, which is kind of all random. We have this cute stuffed animal that Skylar got from the League of Legends thing. And these go to our sheets to hold them on because we have a mattress topper, so they tend to slide off really easily. I do want to clean our sheets again since we have done so much yard work, which I should update you on today too. We have grass, little flakes everywhere, so we need a vacuum, sweep, all that, especially like the dog bed because it gets all stuck to the dogs. And our closet area, those are all clean clothes, so we need to put those away. And then we have our bathroom, which is all sorts of a mess right now. And clean up the shower too. So it's kind of all over. You can't really see all the dirtiness because, well, lighting isn't the greatest in here. There are stains in here from before, and everything I do does not get them out, even like bleach, so like this long thing. But yeah, I'm going to show you all the nitty-gritty stuff of the real life of being an adult and buying a house, which isn't a super fancy house. That's just the reality of it. So let's get into the cleaning part. My camera microphone went out, so this is just a quick voiceover to explaining what is happening in the video. I am just explaining how I'm going to be doing things. I am talking about going starting from top to bottom on cleaning and straightening up beforehand. So I am doing some straightening up, cleaning up the clothes off of the floor, and stripping down the bedding here soon, I believe. I think I'm getting the clothes from the bathroom actually too. So this is part of me cleaning up, yep. And doing some more straightening up for my dresser. I'm kind of just chit-chatting with the camera and probably to the dogs, honestly. And yeah, we will fast forward from here. Is where I am about to start talking about the stuff I'm going to be sprinkling into the carpet. It is just baking soda. Usually I have a scented one, but I don't know where that is. So that's kind of why I'm talking about starting now. So the next clip, you will see me doing that. Okay, so I have that all laid down. Kind of looks like this. And I know our carpet isn't the best looking because, well, we have dogs and in the middle of the night they like to throw up. So I'm going to take you to the bathroom now. cabinets downstairs for a good wash-in. I am going to do some wiping surfaces. So no matter what, for a little tip, always work your way from top to bottom. So if you need to dust your ceiling fan, start with that, and then go from like the dresser, the nightstands, or if you're in your living room, coffee table, counters, blah 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 blah. And so, a little montage of me doing that. I'm going to use the same cleaner in the bathroom. See me in the mirror. That's a different angle. So, I'm going to clean this counter. As you can see, I cleaned it up. Put the flosser thingy. Now we actually have this water flosser, which I really love. And I have my face mask brush. Eventually like to get a cute one of these, but right now it's not a big priority, so it is what it is. I'm going to rinse out the sink. I usually do the sink last, just so after I use all this grossness, I can just go in and get it soaking wet, and it doesn't matter. Actually looks like we need to unclog our sink. Joys of having a girl with long hair and a guy who shaves in hair. I'm going to take my ring off actually, since I'm using more harsh chemicals. But now that we're doing that, I'll take you to the shower area. The squatty potty. And I'm going to start removing some things, putting it on the floor over here. again, lighting is bad in here. I don't know why, because the lights are so bright, but I'm going to be doing my living room and then my kitchen, which is over there. We'll get to that. So I'm going to just do the same thing and do a pickup and yeah, organization thing. All-purpose cleaner. This one I feel like works better than the other one that I was using. I both found them at Target. Now that everything is wiped down, I am going to sweep the floors. And there's my nail, Kirby. So next is mopping. So I got a steam mop here. This is brand new, so I'm really excited to use it.